So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel an order in DoorDash. So first of all, download the app. Once you do, open it up. From here, create your account since you're going to be using it most of the time. Underneath you can see home, pickup, grocery, browse, and me. You can see the search bar, the notifications, and your shopping cart on here. Now from here you can see some options like your past orders. Then you can see under the option me, you can see orders, try DashPass, settings, your profile, rewards, and more. So click on orders. From here, you will see a list of your orders that you have made through the DoorDash app. And in order to cancel it, you will just need to choose the option cancel. And you can see if there are any fees with canceling that particular order. So it depends whether or not you have already paid, if someone picked it up, and stuff like that. So it's usually based on how quickly you cancel when you order. But if you don't want it and you hope to get your money back, just go to as quickly as you can once you make the decision from the me page to orders right here and click on cancel in order to remove the order that you have made. So that's about it. Your orders will be listed on the order page, and to remove them, just click on cancel. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.